Hello everyone. So let's talk about the performance of the Jane Street scanner. And it was launched this Sunday, and I showed you the performance from last Friday onwards in Sensex, Nifty, Bank Nifty, and also Fin Nifty Mid Cap. So these are the indices it covers up, and I have been showing you the performances and also posting live and showing you what is happening. And before the actual move, I'm posting. Okay, so taking the courage that yes, my indicator, see, if it doesn't work, it go market goes in the opposite direction. So what, like, yes, it will prove that my indicator doesn't work. So it takes courage. Okay, so it's not like when market is going down, indicator is showing that long positions are building up. When market is going up, indicator is showing that more than 300 cr call writing is happening. You see the light trade, not even put buying, call writing happened. Okay, so even if you consider this as well, it was like almost 400 cr. So now coming one by one, so what happened, you will see that today more, the length of the bars are more. Why? Because today more money is being put, because tomorrow is expiry, so more money will be put by the big institutions uh, compared to yesterday. So let's compare, let's start from yesterday 3 p.m. So this is also working like post 3 p.m. Most of the times I've seen, like, if it is green, then next day little bit of gap up happens, or whatever. So if it is totally like call writing, which I have shown you, like, I have posted it and shown you that here. Okay, so look at here. That is, that day market went up. So it was Monday. So market went up, but call at the end call writing was happening, and then the next day Nifty opened, and just from the start selling started. Okay, so again after 3 p.m. also it's working. Like here also you'll see call writing happened, and then today again market opened and straight away selling started. But while the selling started, it was coming down. So you see that these long positions have started building up. So you'll see more length is for the put writing. So mostly put writing was being done, and again some call buying was also being done. But again, you can't be very sure that these call buyings are actually call buying, or for hedging purpose also it can happen. But at least you can be sure that yes, like it was like 125 cr of long positions just within this bar. Okay, and this bar, if you look at here, that is, it's almost 115 cr, so 115 cr. Okay, both taking both this call buying and put writing. Okay, so the light green is the put writing, and the deep green is the call buying. Okay, so now you see that again like little bit of scalping also came, the opportunities came, like here also the short positions, then it went down, and finally what happened was that the big money wherever it was put, so that worked. And I always say that wherever the big money is put, so I have explained this indicator in this video, Jane Street video, so you can go and check it out. So yes, ultimately the big money won, and market went up. And what happened was, I was personally bearish. Okay, so I was looking for bearish opportunities, and I also clearly told that to everyone. So the main bearish opportunity arose here, like it came here, and I posted it live on X when it happened. Okay, so right at as it happened, so I posted it here. If you look at here, uh, where did it go? Yeah, so here, and I also posted the previous one also, so you can go and check it out. But this was the major one where just at one shot, like 100 cr of 100 cr of call shots were done in Nifty. Okay, so that was, look at the time, 12:37. So here, it happened at 12:33. I posted at 12:37. Okay, so the thing is that this was almost of 115 cr. This even if you take this one as well, so it's 125 cr. And this is a kind of like 75 cr of call writing, and this is 94 cr of call writing. Okay, so almost 400 cr of call writing happened together here. And then like market was bound to fall, and it fell. Okay, so it did it, like the indicator did its job. Why? See, you see what the beauty of this indicator, I have told you in the past as well, that is, most of the indicators you'll see that from the bottom, when it has reversed like 100 points or so, then like the score changes or whatever, like it's kind of a still like kind of it gives you the market sentiment, but still lags in the sense like before the move can it capture. So more you'll see that there is currently, I haven't seen any indicator which is doing the job. I have also built my money flow indicator, which was like in some scenario it was doing, but not at every scenario. So that's why I needed to make this indicator. Okay, so now coming to here, that is, you see that just when market was falling, so these long positions were built up, and yeah, it did its job. I did not go it in its favor, but yes, if again, it's up to you. I cannot tell you to take this position or that, but again, it's up to you. Indicator showed it did its job correctly. Okay, now whenever these type of things happen suddenly, like when both sides long and short positions are built up, I take it to be a straddle. Okay, so I take them to be straddle forming. Even if you go and check yesterday, then the day before. So whenever these type of happens, like suddenly long and suddenly like sharp down move. So like here, it happened yesterday as well. So suddenly up, and then the next one, like there was a selling. Okay, so what happens is that during those positions, I take them as like straddle, and after that you will see that market doesn't move. Even that happened yesterday as well. Market after that did not give much movement. Okay, so now coming down to here, that is this was the my opportunity. But yes, today I was outside, so I gave you all these updates, and after that, like my battery died. If you look at here, this when I posted this, it was at 7%, and after that my battery died. So, anyways, yes, finally I came home and saw it worked perfectly. So again, now coming back to our indicator here, that is, you see that while it was going up, so then it showed. Okay, and yeah, here also some call writing happened. Okay, 47 cr. So anyways, then again, look at here, that is when market fell. So then you see that some, like again, long positions, like mostly like little bit of call buying happened, and the fall was stopped. Okay, the fall stopped, and again it reversed slightly. Okay, so again what happens is that these are the kind of things again which gives you sign that market again can reverse. Okay, so these can help you not only in closing your positions as well. Okay, so anyways, I cannot give any recommendation or anything, but like yes, I can make indicator and share indicator, so there is no bound to it. And yeah, so I hope the indicator worked perfectly. And again, my live updates here, I hope it helped you all. So now, so here I mean 100 cr, and then again it happened short positions I updated, and then like I did my best to update you all. And if you want to know more about the indicators, I have made this video here. You can go and check it out. And if you want to be a part of the derivatives indicator group and get access to the indicator, the Jane Street indicator and the money flow indicator, and complimentary access to the Telegram channel, so you can come to the website, and you don't have to do any members login or anything. So whichever plan suits you, you can just go get started, add to cart, and just go for the payment. And after the payment, just text me, or we will contact you and just add you, okay, to the respective group. So again, you see that as already told you that after this week, the prices are going to increase, and I might only avail this indicator for the yearly membership, and for the other membership you will get the money flow indicator. So yes, this indicator will be only available for the yearly membership. So those who wants to take the advantage of this indicator, so do grab it before the offer changes. So anyways, again, I hope I did my best. So thanks for watching, and keep watching and keep learning and trade safely. See you in the next one.